What's up? What's good? What's going on, everybody? Today I bring to you a very special video. This is a big group collab hosted by Clueless Mama D. Make sure you guys check the description down below for the playlist link of all the other YouTubers participating in this Christmas desserts collab. So as you guys can see from the title below, I'm going to be making vegan sugar cookies. I've never made sugar cookies before, especially vegan sugar cookies. So if you guys just want a little dessert and you're vegan or vegetarian, then I got you right here. So stay tuned and let's get into the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get into the ingredients that you need to make vegan sugar cookies. So first you would need 3/4 cup of vegan butter. The Earth Balance brand is preferred, slightly softened. Next you need 3/4 cup of granulated sugar. I use sugar in the raw because it is vegan and it is also gluten-free, which y'all know I'm trying to convert to gluten-free stuff. Then you need 2 tablespoons of unsweetened almond milk. Next you need a tablespoon of cornstarch. I read that some people aren't really comfortable with that, so you can substitute it. Also you need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And you also need 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract. This is optional, but it's good to have. Next, we have 2 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, divided, correctly measured, which I used almond flour, as you guys can see here. And then next, you need a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. And then you need a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Alright guys, so right here, this is the sugar cookie dough that the machine is mixing together. You want to make sure that your cookie dough is similar to the texture of Play-Doh. And you just let the machine do its magic, or you can go old school and mix it yourself. Alright guys, so now these are just different clips of me showing you guys the next steps. So this step right here, we put the dough in a ball, and put it on some parchment paper with almond flour on the bottom. And then we are rolling it out on the parchment paper because we did a double layer, as you guys see right here. So what it is parchment paper on a hard surface, and then the dough that's flattened out, and then we put some flour on top, and then we did it again. We put parchment paper on top of that, and we just repeat the process. And then after you do all that, you're going to set a timer for 1 hour, and you're going to put the dough in the fridge to chill. Alright, so after the dough is finished chilling in the fridge for an hour, I set the oven to 350 degrees. And while that's heating up, I also set another timer for 10 minutes for the dough to set. Alright guys, so next thing you want to do is get the shape cutter that you want. And obviously, as you guys can see, put the shape cutter in the dough and get to cutting. And so you can make the desired shapes that you want. Look at that. Aren't they cute? Look at that. Alright guys, so this is going to wrap up this video. We're getting ready to do a taste test with my family. So I want to get their reactions on camera real quick. And then we're going to wrap this up for y'all. Right? Who wants to go first?
Cookie Boss.
Ah, my dad. It's great. Babe. Is it soft? Tastes good. It's good. My turn. Let somebody give. Alright, y'all. I'm gonna taste it. Skylar's asleep, so she don't get to taste it. This is good, y'all. I've never made sugar cookies ever. This is my very first time.
Vegan.
And only person left is my mom. She's getting ready to come in here and taste it. It's my mom's reaction to the cookies. She likes. She can't even say nothing.
Good.
Go ahead.
Delicious.
Oh, I thought she said something else.
I said good.
Oh. But anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you guys check the description below. The playlist is down there. This was hosted by Clueless Mama D. She put this big group collab together. So make sure you guys check out everyone else's video. And make sure you guys go show them some love. So I'll definitely see y'all in my next video. Bye.